Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2021 320 Vantage. What a fantastic boat this is. It does everything exceptionally well. You get the dive door located right here. You've got a beautiful hardtop on it with a nice sunshade that comes all the way out, covers the seating, powered by the Mercury 300s. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Start at the back of the boat. Again, it's powered by the new Mercury 300s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Hops right up on plane. Good top end. Phenomenally quiet motors. Best part about the boat. If you're just out for a nice ride, you've got a huge bench seat in the back. You can fit 3 to 4 adults on here comfortably. You've got a Posic seating on this side that has a table that comes up. So for these people sitting around, you have a nice comfortable table for drinks and hors d'oeuvres. And then we have the dive door. So what a great way, safest way to get on and off the boat versus the back of the boat. You can just step right onto a floating dock. It's the same level. And if you want to go for swim, you can put the ladder, deploy the ladder, and it also has a handle. Getting in the boat with the ladder, you get something to grab onto versus the side of the boat. And it's also the best way to bring a fish in. Instead of trying to bring them over the gunnel, you can just slide them right into one of the 2 fish boxes on the bottom. So a lot less chance of losing a fish. Great option for this boat. So conveniently located. You got plenty of room for all your bait in here. Also doubles nicely as a cooler if you're not fishing for the day. Fill it with drinks and ice. You're in great shape. Little bar set up here, so drink prep area, storage underneath, good size storage actually. And then this seat does all kinds of different things. We can lower this down this way. We can set it this way, so it's a really nice lounger and very comfortable facing forward. And then also the twin seat up, twin helm seat up here. It's got a remote control on that, so you can bring it up and down for your different heights, so you can get good visibility just sitting on here. Normally they're fixed, so great option. As we move over to the helm, beautiful setup with the large twin ray marine. So plenty of different options you can get with different screens. You can split them, fish finder, all that stuff. You have a smart craft, got a VHF radio, the Fusion stereo. Digital throttle and shift. You've got the trim tabs, and then you got the joystick. The joystick it's incredible. I can make this boat go sideways. So if it's tight quarters, I can just push it this way. The boat will go sideways in there. I have complete control of the boat. Also has sky hook where I can lock it in position. If I want the sunset, at the end of the day, you can just point it at the sun, sit in the 2 lounge chairs up there, have a glass of wine. It's really nice feature. And then the auto heading on it is an easy autopilot. It's a point and shoot. Point the boat, hit the button, and it's going to take you there, get you there faster and less time as well. So let's move towards the head area. That's not the head area. So this is actually this side is it's a small cabin, and it actually will lay down into a light end area, so you can, if you want to take a nap and get out of the weather, you got a place to go. So it's kind of a pretty good sized cabin for this size boat. Then we move to the head area. Very large head area. You got a skylight. You got a sink with a pull-out faucet in it, so you can double as a shower. So if you want to clean up at the end of the day before you go to a restaurant, you can change your clothes. Very but large area where you got sunlight in there, so it's not claustrophobic at all. Large windshield. 2 very large lounges, so you can put two people comfortably. You can actually put a couple different people lounging on this side over here, so 3 people comfortably. Remote control for the stereo, chargers, drink holders, speaker. And then up at the bow, we've got the beach boarding ladder, so you can actually take this boat, drive it right up onto the beach, deploy the ladder, get on and off the boat from inside from without getting in the water. So it's a really nice feature. You got your windlass right here. And then when you come back in at the end, when you sprayer right here, so you can rinse the sand and everything off your feet, keeps the sand from getting in the boat, and really nice feature. So this boat does everything very well. It goes into shallow water also, but this is a long trip boat. You can do it comfortably and safely. So if you got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Call me at 603-213-1194.